Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to another simple recipe that I am sure you're going to love. On this video today, I show you how to make a simple Oreo milkshake at home. I hope you try it out and I hope you like it, and let's get started. So to start off, I used 2 packets of Oreo biscuits like you can see on the video, and the idea is to just cut them roughly into big chunks. I also used 1 glass milk, that is 3/4 full. The next step is to put the Oreo biscuits into a blender and then add in the milk and blend the mixture to get a smooth consistency. And after that, the next step is to decorate the glass, and I'm going to the glass that I used to serve the milkshake, and this is melted chocolate, dark compound chocolate. Just melt it and then pour it like you can see on the video, just to decorate the glass. And I used a piping bag. You can see how the glass looks like. And now pour the blended mixture into the glass. And also, if you do not have the dark compound chocolate, you can use the chocolate syrup. And then after pouring it out, I just added a small amount of whipped cream at the top of the glass, but you can skip this step if you do not have it, especially if you have ice cream. You can use ice cream, and then just decorate the top with some Oreos and some melted chocolate, and it is super amazing, you guys. So delicious. I loved it so much. I hope you try it out and I hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.